Welcome all of you. In previous classes we are discussing about mirror formula and problems about mirror formula. Now we are discussing about sign convention rules for mirror equation. What is mirror equation? 1 by f is equal 1 by u plus 1 by v is the mirror formula. So f indicates the focal length of the spherical mirror, and u is the objective distance from the object to pole, and v is the image distance between the distance between the image to pole. So this is about mirror formula. What are the sign convention rules applying here? So there are three rules for sign convention. What is the first one? All distances, whatever distance in this, object distance means object to pole, image to pole, whatever distance should be measured from a pole. On pole onwards only we will measure the distance. Pole to object and pole to image, not here to here, here to here we are measuring. So all distances should be measured from a pole. That is called the first rule. Then second one is, so this is the incident ray direction, incident ray direction, and we are measuring from here to here. So which ray is opposite to the incident ray? We are measuring from pole onwards. This is the incident ray. So this is opposite to the measuring of the distance. That's why these both are in different directions. We are taking negative. When we are measuring the same directions, it is positive. When it is opposite to the incident ray, is negative, means like this it is negative. It is in same direction like this or like this, that is positive. So this is about second one. Then third one, here AB, this is A, this is B, indicates the height of the object HO. Then A dash B dash, this is the height of the image HI. When we are measuring upwards of the principal axis, that is positive. When we are measuring downwards, it is negative. Along the principal axis, third one is along the principal axis or normal axis. Upside is positive, when downside is negative. This indicates the upwards of the principal axis is positive, and it indicates the downwards of the principal axis, it is negative. Here now we will discuss about magnification of spherical mirror. Magnification of spherical mirror, it is indicated by M. In this, according to the figure, object placed here beyond center of curvature, two rays form a image on between C and F. Center of curvature and the focal point. Between the center of curvature and focal point, the image will be formed downside. So the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. First one, it is passed through focal point, and second one is when it strikes on a pole, it will be reflected. In this case, it obeys the law of reflection. Here is the angle of theta, here is the angle of theta. Same incident angle, angle of incidence is theta. Then also angle of reflection will be theta. The incident angle and the reflected angle both are same in this case. Now, according to the sign convention, all distances should be measured from pole. From pole onwards we are measuring from the object, same as this from image. In this PI dash, it is a triangle. Then also PO dash, it is also look like a triangle. Then the similar triangles here, triangle PI dash comma triangle PO dash are similar triangles. So we are applying the rule here. Height of the image I dash by O dash. This is opposite side, opposite side. Height of the image and the height of the object is equal. Then distance pi by PO. So in this, what is I dash and what is O dash? Then what is pi? What is PO? I dash is the height of the image HI. Then O dash height of the object HO. Then pi P2I, that is image distance V. Then P2O object distance U. Now apply the sign convention rules. HI along the principal axis, that is minus, downside, that's why minus. Then HO, it is along the principal axis upside, that's why it is positive. Then we are measuring from pole onwards, but incident ray is this direction, we are measuring this direction, that's why negative. Say V minus U. Substitute in the above equation. I dash, where is I dash? Here. Minus HI by O dash HO is equal pi minus V by minus U. Then here minus gets cancelled. Then minus HI by HO is equal V by U. Then HI by HO is equal minus V by U. This is the magnification. M is equal HI by HO is equal minus V by U. Or in higher standards we are discussing about M is equal to according to the height of the object or image, that is HI by HO, or according to the distances, image distances, object distances, that is M is equal minus V by U. So this is magnification formula, using magnification for a curved mirror.